tornado emergency for Minot. The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a tornado warning for Central Ward County in northern North Dakota, western McHenry County in northern North Dakota, until 7 p.m. At 6:48 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Ralston, moving east at 37 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Minot. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado and baseball-sized hail. Source: Weather Spotters confirmed tornado. Impacts: you are in an extremely life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous tornado will be near Minot around 7 p.m. Locations impacted include Minot, West Oaks, Roosevelt Park, and the North Dakota State Fair Center. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.